spraying of chemicals and use of chemical fertilizers leads to soil degradation. So, a specific amount of chemical fertilizer should be used, otherwise it will lead to soil degradation. This is soil erosion, students. Excessive irrigation draws the salts from the soil upwards and make the soil saline and then unproductive. Here saline means what? A solution of salt in the water. Due to excessive use of chemicals, their residue remain in the soils for many years. They become a threat to the existence of microorganisms in the soils. It leads to lowering in the humus content in the soil and the plants do not get micronutrients. If the pH of the soil thus get disturbed, it is a sign of degradation. Now, here pH stand for potential of hydrogen, means strength of the hydrogen. It get disturbed, it is a soil of degradation. Now, do you know geographic indication, that is GI? Certain soils are best suited for certain crops. Hence, the crop production of that crop becomes the specialty of that area. Such crops are given the status of geography indication, that is GI. For example, Hapus mango of Sindhudurg, custard apple from Bid district and the oranges of Nagpur, etc. Now, soil conservation. Considering the importance of soils, it is necessary to conserve it. It is necessary to protect the fertile soils of farmlands from getting washed out due to rains. Soil conservation includes the work like construction of embankments. Here, embankment, students, mean what? A bank of earth stone built to prevent a river flooding an area, and planting trees on them. Construction of gully plugs. Now, here gully plugs mean what? Check dams. I will show in this next picture. Against the steep slopes, etc. Such works are taken up the Department of Soil Erosion, Soil Conservation. These are the gully plugs. Can you see this in the picture? Planting trees can also control the velocity of wind. This helps reducing the erosion of soil by wind. The plant roots hold the soil and this soil reduce the erosion of soil. Under soil conservation, the continuous counter trenches, that is CCTS, are constructed along the slope. Construction of such trench are at different heights checks the velocity of water running along the slopes and hence reduce the soil erosion. The water arrested in these trenches percolates into the ground. I will show in the next picture. Now, see, these are the counter trenches. This helps in reducing the soil erosion of the soil by wind. Even the plants root hold the soil here and also reduce the erosion of soil. These are the counter trenches. The government of Maharashtra has implemented the watershed catchment area development program, under which constructing embankments along slopes in rural areas. Mostly we can find them in rural areas. Introducing CCTS along steep slopes, etc. are undertaken. This led to the success of the scheme. Arrest water, let it percolates. This has resulted in raising the groundwater levels and reducing the erosion of soil. Recently, the government has launched the scheme called Jalyukt Shivnar. The government has launched one scheme that is known as Jalyukt Shivnar. Under these schemes, works like construction of farm bunds, arresting waters of small streams, connecting the streams, etc., are being carried out on a large scale. So, these are the schemes taken out by the government. It is advisable to reduce the excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. If organic manures, vermicompost, compost are used regularly, it helps to maintain the pH balance and increase the proportion of humus and retain the fertility of soil. Vermicompost means are species of the worms, understand. Keeping the farmland fallow for some period and cultivating different crops alternately, it is important to help retain the fertility of soils.